The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. For what reasons is February 10th so pivotal for XRP? In this video, I explain it in case you were wondering. Someone recently informed us that February 10th might be the day when XRP holders experience a dramatic increase in their positive sentiment. Here, we'll explain everything and why it matters to you. In addition to reviewing recent price movements, today may prove to be a watershed day for Ripple. More importantly, what does XRP's future hold? If you're interested in this and have a positive outlook on cryptocurrency, then please subscribe and like the video so you don't miss a thing. With that out of the way, let's examine the rationale. For XRP and Solana, today is a monumental day. Without further ado, let's dive into it before we discuss price forecasts and everything else. Nevertheless, Ripple and Solana have a major event tomorrow, or today, the 10th of February. I'll explain why the crypto market is hoping that tomorrow, due to the leaked information, the product in question can begin trading. This product was mistakenly announced on the CME website in late January, claiming that XRP and Solana futures would be available to trade on February 10th, following a regulatory review. What are the odds of this happening? I was even live streaming a CME website discussion on these futures on YouTube when this news occurred. Up to this point, we have seen nothing. Even though the SEC has not yet approved these items, a lot has transpired since then, including the election of a new president, the appointment of a new chair at the SEC, and a plethora of bizarre events involving Elon's dodging squad. Is it possible that XRP CME futures and the CME website might start simultaneously? Will they tell us tomorrow or today, depending on where we are in the globe? Is it completely implausible? Quite the contrary, we've heard a lot of talk about those derivatives, and they may be just what the markets need to start warming up to that possibility. So, whether this occurs or not, we will, as always, keep you informed. To subscribe, all you have to do is click the button. If you want to know when we announce anything, you should follow me on social media. Please be prepared. Additionally, more announcements are on the way, namely with the widespread belief that we are preparing for a monumental relocation. You daily sellers, XRP is prepared for action, and I understand what you're saying. However, many are selling their XRP holdings because the cryptocurrency is doing well relative to others. I urge everyone to view my previous Bitcoin update video, in which I addressed the market manipulation of the day in detail. It was absolutely insane. At this very moment, I believe that these are times to put your determination to the test. The decision to buy, sell, or hold has now slipped my mind. Truthfully, I can only tell you my current strategy. And right now it involves bracing for a massive bull market, in which XRP will play a leading role. With $7 billion in daily trading volume, some are claiming that XRP may reach a price of $139 billion. Maybe this is wow. XRP is showing oscillations between 230 and 240, which is moving us closer to the $3 price range we want to break and return to above the hourly viewer. However, in the end, you'll be making a sequence of rising troughs that will indicate a breakout. However, we will examine that chart in a moment to examine the 245 as the obstacle. These, however, are plainly more bullish sentiments and favorable market momentums. And it's clear that a lot of things will be changing soon. The SEC is certainly a topic of conversation. Clearly, we are aware of the debates surrounding that US Reserve. Is that week almost here? Conversations with Brad Garlinghouse and Donald Trump have been known to take place. Could XRP be a component of the US Reserve that is soon to be announced? At this point, I believe a greater price is necessary. Many financial institutions may see this as a gateway. Having said that, I believe it is crucial to keep in mind the critical price levels that market analysts are highlighting for XRP as we progress with the market and demonstrate strength in relation to that potential upside. So, let's check out the current market situation. As I mentioned on my live stream, XRP is holding up roughly 1% as the market turns green for the day. The essential fundamentals that we are beginning to observe in this channel are of utmost importance. Along with this possible wave pattern, we discussed another one that was developing, a descent to the channel's base, a retest at the channel's peak, and a subsequent descent. Tell me what this means. We can see the 100-day exponential moving average here, which we didn't retest. So could this be the beginning of an intriguing bull market to the upside? As this narrows, we can also see the push. You should definitely refer to that point. We are now beginning what could be an uptick after a much lower low. Another option would be to use the Fibonacci sequence to determine when we reach a critical threshold. With 242, we have a possible breakout above. This was double-checked 4 times. We can get that break and, even more crucially, resume our rise to the upside if we can get market sentiment. Bitcoin operating as intended. I highly recommend seeing that video. The fact that we moved from A is completely insane. There is a great deal of bullish sentiment and optimism in the market, as prices have recovered from a low of 94,800 a few hours ago, and are now trading above 97,000. Just inform me, is the launch of CME futures for XRP and Solana imminent? They might become quite crazy if we do that. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.